Hello everyone. Good morning. The topic that was going on was insurance. Just to recap, the five main concepts of insurance. First concept is insurer. The company which sells the insurance policy is known as insurer. Second concept is insured. The person who takes the insurance is known as insured. So, for example, if I take an insurance, I will be termed as insured. Third thing is policy. It is a written agreement between the company and the individual, that is known as policy. Fourth is premium. The amount that I pay to insurance company to cover my risk is known as premium. Again, premium एक छोटा सा example देता हूँ. The last one which I gave, the same. I take insurance policy of rupees 10 lakh for the period of 10 years. I take insurance policy of rupees 10 lakh for the period of 10 years. So 10 lakh divided by 10 is equal to 1 lakh. 1 lakh is the premium which I have to pay for 10 years. First year I paid 1 lakh, second year I paid 1 lakh, third year I met an accident and something happens to me or I pass away. My family will get the policy amount in case of natural death. Second is, if it is accidental death, they will get double amount of money. So this is a basic of insurance. Now the persons who are investing in bank, they also do invest in insurance. So what is the reason and why they do it? First is the basic or the advantage. The basic advantage is provide safety and security. Insurance, what it provides financial support. You cannot value a human life, but at least the person who is earning, if something happens to them, insurance will cover the loss. So the family who is surviving on the main person, if something happens to them, insurance can cover the loss. The loss which can be covered apart from life insurance is fire insurance, marine insurance, accident insurance, vehicle insurance, theft insurance. तो इंश्योरेंस क्या करता है, वो आपको सेफ्टी दे देता है. स्पेशली इन इंडिया, जैसे मैंने कहा था, द कल्चर ऑफ फैमिली पैटर्न इज 1:4. 1 person is earning and 4 are or 3 are surviving or 4 are surviving. If the main person is affected because of any of natural death or accidental death, insurance will provide safety and security. You will get the policy amount. Just remember, the insured will always get the policy amount. Second advantage is generates financial resources. Now if we take example of vehicle insurance, सब लोग इंश्योरेंस करवाते हैं. vehicle insurance is generally for the period of 1 year. In your class there are 40 students, सबने vehicle insurance लिया है, but no one claims it because hardly we claim for 2 wheelers. We normally do it for 4 wheelers, but 2 wheeler का कोई लेता, हम claim नहीं करते. We take insurance but we don't claim it. Now the money which is collected by the company, that money can be used for economic development of the country. कंपनीज क्या करती है, वो जो पैसा आता है उसको ऐसी जगह पे इन्वेस्ट कर देती है जहाँ से उनको बेटर रिटर्न मिले. इंश्योरेंस कंपनी, द मनी विच दे रिसीव फ्रॉम द प्रीमियम, दे विल इन्वेस्ट एट सच अ प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर they can get maximum return. That is known as generating financial resources. See, money is like buttermilk. आप उसको जितना घुमाओगे, the more rotation of money, it will fetch you more money. If you are having 10 lakh rupees and you keep it in your cupboard, it will not increase. When it will increase? When the capital will be formatted, when you are investing your money in the productive channels. So insurance is also one of the basis of investment, because if nothing happens to you in the period of 10 years, you are going to get the money back along with the interest. I am again repeating, you take a policy of 10 years, if nothing happens to you for the period of 10 years, you are going to get the policy amount along with the interest. Point number third is life insurance encourages savings. So for example, if I have taken a policy of rupees 10 lakh, every year I am supposed to pay 1 lakh rupees. So I would be saving, मेरा सेविंग, आई नो दैट मुझे इतना पैसा कमाना है कि मुझे प्रीमियम भरना है. तो इट विल ऑल्सो हेल्प मी टू डेवलप अ हैबिट ऑफ सेविंग्स ऑफ मनी. And when the insurance policy is matured, I can get all the amount back. The life insurance is also encouraging savings. Every year you are supposed to save money. Either you save it quarterly, or you save it half yearly, or you save it yearly. Now the other question is, जितना पॉलिसी अमाउंट बड़ा होगा उतना आपका इंश्योरेंस अमाउंट बड़ा होगा. एक सिंपल एग्जांपल देता हूँ जो मैंने कहा था. व्हीकल इंश्योरेंस में द प्रीमियम अमाउंट इज अराउंड 4%. यू कैन सी दिस इवन विथ योर कार एंड टू व्हीलर्स. इफ अ व्हीकल इज ऑफ 70,000, 4% would be the insurance amount roughly estimated. So it would be around 70,000 multiplied by 4, around 2,800 or 3,000. If you're having car of 10 lakh rupees, the premium amount would be around 4%, that is 40,000 rupees, 35 to 40. So what the advantage is, now when you take such insurance, it helps to develop a habit of savings. In tits and bits, you are saving money. So life insurance encourages savings. Point number 4 is promotes economic growth. Insurance is also one source of financial stability. Insurance plays a crucial role in sustainable growth of economy because companies are fetching money from the clients. Companies are taking money from the clients in terms of premium. Now they will not keep that money in cupboards. What they will do is the company will invest that money in economical productive resources जहाँ से उनको अच्छा पैसा मिले. That is why it is said that insurance also promotes economic growth. Point number 5 is medical support. Now these days medical insurance is becoming one of the popular segments of insurance. Now what is medical insurance? You have to take the premium for the period of 1 year. And say for example in Bhavnagar, if I am taking an insurance, मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस, सो भावनगर में 5-6 हॉस्पिटल्स है, वो सभी हॉस्पिटल उसमें कवर हो जाएगी. मैंने प्रीमियम पे कर दिया है अराउंड 20,000 पर ईयर. इफ समथिंग हैपन्स टू मी इन दिस पीरियड ऑफ 1 ईयर, द एंटायर एक्सपेंसेस विल बी वेव्ड ऑफ. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, medical insurance means if I take medical insurance for the period of 1 year, the premium amount is 20,000. Now if something happens to me, if I'm admitted or something happens to me, all the medical expenses will be covered in insurance. Now one thing which you have to remember is medical insurance, fire insurance, vehicle insurance, theft insurance. These are for the period of 1 year. If you have done a vehicle insurance for the period of 1 year और कुछ भी नहीं होता है, you will not get the amount back. Only in life insurance you get the amount back if nothing happens to you. Spreading of risk, what does this mean? If you survey your house, 10 people, if you survey the house, everybody has taken insurance, but hardly something happens to anyone. Insurance क्या करता है? It divides the risk. It's a spreading of risk. We collect premium amount of 10 people. एक को कुछ हो जाता है तो वो 10 का मनी उस एक में यूज़ हो जाता है. So that is known as spreading of risk. So it is a collective effort which saves the family which is affected by the someone who is meeting an accident, or somebody who is meeting a natural death, or somebody who is in the hospital. So this is spreading of risk. There is a very important quote and very famous quote: insurance is a game which man wins after his death. Again I am repeating, insurance is a game which man wins after his death. So first you have to remember today, insurer, the first topic, the company selling. Insured, the person taking. Policy, it's a written contract between the insurer and insured. Fourth one is premium, the amount of money which an individual pays to the company, or the amount of money which insured pays to the insurer. These are the 5 this. And sixth advantages are there. And one more just I want to add, the premium amount that you pay is tax free. आप जो भी प्रीमियम पे करते हो इंश्योरेंस पे, उस पर टैक्स लगता नहीं है. सो द कोट इज, इंश्योरेंस इज अ गेम विच मैन विन्स आफ्टर हिज डेथ. थैंक यू वेरी मच. हैव अ नाइस डे.